Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you spend your hard-earned cash wisely. Today, we're diving deep into the world of mirrorless cameras as we pit the Canon EOS R8 against the Canon EOS R50. Will the R8 take the crown? Or will the R50 prove that good things come in smaller, more affordable packages? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the price. The EOS R8 is priced at a hefty $1,499, while the R50 is a steal at $799. Reviewers praise the R50 as an excellent choice for beginners looking for great value, while the R8 is seen as a worthy investment for those seeking professional-level features. If you're ballin' on a budget, the R50 is like that friend who always picks up the tab, while the R8 is your rich uncle who still asks you to Venmo him for the pizza. Next, let's switch gears to the image sensor. The R8 boasts a full-frame 24.2 million pixel CMOS sensor, offering stunning shots with creamy bokeh. Meanwhile, the R50 also comes in with an APS-C sensor at 24.2 megapixels. Reviewers highlight the R8's superior picture quality, making it a favorite among enthusiasts, while the R50 is appreciated for its decent quality that suits beginners well. It's like upgrading from a tricycle to a Ferrari, versus still having a cool bike with a racing stripe. Now let's talk autofocus. The R8 has a whopping 1,053 AF zones, while the R50 has 651 AF zones. Both cameras feature Canon's dual-pixel AF2, allowing for impressive tracking. Reviewers mention that the R8 excels in fast autofocus and accurate tracking, which is crucial for dynamic photography, while the R50 still delivers reliable performance for casual users. It's like having a personal trainer who counts your reps, but isn't quite as intense as the R8's drill sergeant approach. Let's roll into video capabilities. The R8 offers uncropped 4K recording at up to 60 FPS, while the R50 can do 4K at 30 FPS. Reviewers rave about the R8's video quality and versatility, making it ideal for serious videographers. The R50, while limited to 30 FPS, still receives praise for its good video quality and ease of use for vlogs. It's like watching a movie in 4K Ultra HD versus standard definition. Still enjoyable, but you might be left wanting more. Finally, let's discuss display features. The R8 has a 3.0 vari-angle touchscreen perfect for vlogging, while the R50 screen is also 3.0, but lacks the same flexibility. Reviewers appreciate the R8 for its ability to capture those influencer poses easily, while the R50 is seen as user-friendly but less versatile. It's like trying to do yoga with a stiff back. Possible, but not as fun. Overall, the Canon EOS R8 receives high praise for its powerful features, excellent image quality, and advanced autofocus, making it a great choice for professionals and serious enthusiasts. The R50, on the other hand, is celebrated as an outstanding entry-level camera that provides good performance and ease of use, ideal for beginners and casual users. So there you have it, folks. The Canon EOS R8 is like the fancy restaurant where you spend all your cash on one meal, while the EOS R50 is your go-to diner for a solid meal without breaking the bank. Both have their perks, but it all boils down to what you're looking for. If you're a pro or an aspiring one, the R8 is the way to go. But if you just want to capture life's moments without selling a kidney, the R50 is your buddy. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated with all our comparisons. Until next time, remember to buy smart because your wallet deserves it.